In this tutorial, we will be diving into the world of truthy and falsy values in JavaScript and how they can be used in Node.js. First, let's understand what we mean by truthy and falsy values. In JavaScript, a truthy value is a value that is considered true when encountered in a Boolean context. All values are truthy unless they are defined as falsy. On the other hand, a falsy value is a value that is considered false when encountered in a Boolean context. JavaScript defines 6 falsy values: 0, null, undefined, nan, and false. When we convert the number 0 to a Boolean using the Boolean function, it returns false, hence 0 is a falsy value in JavaScript. An empty string is also a falsy value. If we convert it to a Boolean, it will return false. Null is another falsy value. If converted to a Boolean, it will also return false. Undefined in JavaScript is also considered a falsy value. If it is converted to a Boolean, it will return false. Nan, or not a number, is the last falsy value we will discuss. When converted to a Boolean, it will return false. Now, let's contrast falsy values with truthy values. As mentioned before, all values that are not explicitly falsy are truthy. For example, a non-empty string is a truthy value. When we convert it to a Boolean using the Boolean function, it returns true. Similarly, any non-zero number is also a truthy value. If we convert 42 to a Boolean, it will return true. That's all for this tutorial. Remember, understanding truthy and falsy values can greatly help you in writing conditions and loops in JavaScript. Keep practicing and happy coding.